The LiveFine towel warmer emerges as a game changer, redefining the way we experience comfort after a soothing bath or refreshing shower. This innovative appliance transforms the mundane act of drying off into a luxurious and indulgent ritual, all while embracing advanced features and elegant design. A warm embrace. The science of comfort. Picture this: you step out of a warm, invigorating shower and wrap yourself in a freshly warm towel. The sensation is nothing short of heavenly, instantly melting away the stresses of the day and cocooning you in pure relaxation. The LiveFine towel warmer takes this simple pleasure to a new level, offering not just warmth, but an experience that transcends the ordinary. Design that radiates elegance. The LiveFine towel warmer exudes sophistication with its large bucket-style design. Its polished exterior and sleek lines make it a seamless addition to any bathroom decor. This luxury heater is designed to accommodate oversized bath sheet towels, such as the 40x71s, ensuring that every user can enjoy the warmth and comfort they deserve. Advanced features for ultimate convenience. The true magic of the LiveFine towel warmer lies in its advanced features that elevate it beyond a mere appliance. Let's delve into some of its standout attributes. LED display. The built-in LED display offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to easily set and adjust the timer and temperature settings. It ensures that you have complete control over your towel warming experience. Adjustable timer. Tailor your comfort with the adjustable timer function. Whether you prefer a quick touch of warmth or a prolonged embrace, the LiveFine towel warmer caters to your needs. Auto shut off. Worried about leaving the appliance on? The LiveFine towel warmer comes with an auto shut off feature, providing peace of mind and conserving energy. Family-friendly design. With its generous capacity, this towel warmer can accommodate multiple towels simultaneously, making it perfect for families or those who love to share their moments of relaxation. A haven of relaxation in a fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility is essential for maintaining our well-being. The LiveFine towel warmer effortlessly transforms your daily routine into a mini spa experience, inviting you to indulge in the comfort and luxury that you deserve. Whether it's a chilly morning or a winding down after a tiring day, wrapping yourself in a warm towel from this elegant heater is sure to soothe your senses and rejuvenate your spirit. Where comfort meets technology, the LiveFine towel warmer is a testament to how technology can be seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives to enhance our well-being. It not only addresses a functional need, but also creates an experience that resonates with the pursuit of comfort and relaxation. As you embrace the warmth of a perfectly heated towel, you'll realize that this appliance is more than just a convenience. It's a conduit to an oasis of comfort that you can enjoy every day. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.